car in the middle of the road, and he turned round and he gave her a lecture. You never hear the lecture. He's not one more spake. He says, not another spake out of ye till we come to Belshaft. And the same to the coach. Not a word out of ye, he says, till we come to Belfast. He says, the head's busy listening to you. On they got and they started to head down the road, and every now and again the wee cupboard put his hand out through the canvas and he would poke the father in the side. And you know, whenever you were been brought up, your mother or father didn't have to speak, they just pointed the finger. Pointed the finger, he didn't speak. About 3 hours later, it seemed like 3 weeks to ride in the middle of Belshaft. The old fella stopped the motorbike, he turned round to the cub, he says, son, you were trying to tell me something, you can tell me now. He says, Mommy fell off in Lisbon. Anyways, I was asking Victor here when was the last time that I played with introduced him. A wonderful place called Drumcerne. If you know where Drumcerne is, that was it. Ladies and gentlemen, brilliant accordion player. I know you're going to enjoy him and you're going to raise the roof for Victor. Give Victor Brown a big round of applause. Raise the roof for him.
his own, after the 5 months here. Last piece, the band so breaks down. It's a bit quick at the end, so if it goes back around, don't worry about it.
Victor, so Sarah, in the way you could make one of the things talk, couldn't I? Give it all a big round of applause. Okay, well done, Victor. Thank you.